name is Gabriel Ramo, and I'm going to be showing you how to install a brand new graphics card.
To begin, we'll start by shutting off and unplugging our machine. This is important for safety reasons as we're working with highly sensitive components. Every case opens differently and is usually stated within the manual if it appears a little too confusing. Most manuals can also be found online through the distributor of the case. Some benefits of our new card over our 1070 are ray tracing, DLSS support, NVENC, 12 GB of memory, 1.78 GHz clock speed, and 3,584 CUDA cores. Today we'll be upgrading our GTX 1070 to a new RTX 3060. It is important to have a metal object to ground to, as even a small amount of static can fry a component on first touch. We are next going to remove the power supply cable from our GPU. This might feel a little tough, so it's helpful to wiggle it gently while continuously tugging. Eventually it will come out. After, we can gently unseat our GPU safely. One of the main advantages of this card is its ray tracing support. Simply put, ray tracing is a technique that makes light in video games behave like it does in real life. It works by simulating actual light rays using an algorithm to trace the path that a beam of light would take in the physical world. This provides some stellar quality enhancements to almost any game that supports it, Minecraft being one that shows such a drastic difference. When aligning the GPU with the socket, it is important to note the smaller slot and piece of the chip. It is also worth noting that the GPU fans are always facing downwards. You'll know it's seated when the latch clicks inward.
When screwing in the graphics card, you might run into a problem where the screws don't happen to fit.
And if your screws don't seem to fit, you may need to push your GPU towards the side of the case. Remember, make sure to hold up the card to prevent sag. Depending on the card, you may need to insert the PCIe cable either upside down or right side up. It can usually be identified by the small opening where the latch rests. We are now done installing our brand new graphics card.